Hello, and welcome back to episode 13 of the NCERT Biology 365 podcast. Today, we are discussing the structure and classification of lipids in section 9.1. If you are following along in your textbook, open to page 106. We are going to discuss why lipids are insoluble in water, walk through the carbon-counting traps of palmitic and arachidonic acids, explore trihydroxy propane, and look at the membrane phospholipid, lecithin. Let's get started.
Let's look at simple fatty acids. A fatty acid has a carboxyl group attached to an R group. NCERT provides two vital examples that you must memorize for exams. First, palmitic acid has 16 carbons. Second, arachidonic acid has 20 carbons. Here is the trap. These numbers include the carboxyl carbon. That means the R group of palmitic acid actually has 15 carbons, and arachidonic's R group has 19. If you miss this distinction, you can lose easy marks in statement-based questions. Also, remember that unsaturated fatty acids contain one or more double bonds, while saturated ones have none. Another simple lipid is glycerol. NCERT defines its chemical name as trihydroxy propane. When fatty acids combine with glycerol, they undergo esterification. This reaction can produce monoglycerides, diglycerides, or triglycerides. These compounds are classified as fats or oils based on their melting points. Oils have lower melting points. For example, gingerly oil has a low melting point and remains liquid in winter, whereas fats solidify. Keep this distinction clear. Finally, let's look at complex lipids. Some lipids contain phosphorus and a phosphorylated organic compound, forming phospholipids. These are essential structural components of cell membranes. NCERT lists lecithin as a primary example. Note the final sentence of this section. Some tissues, especially neural tissues, contain lipids with much more complex structures. Keep these complex lipid locations in mind.
That concludes our study of lipids. To test your memory on these structural details, click the link and take our Day 13 CBT practice quiz. Join our Telegram group to download today's handwritten note sheet, and we will see you tomorrow for Day 14 as we cover nitrogenous bases, nucleosides, and nucleotides.